A cut in pay. We have told you for months about the dire financial condition of federal courts here in Minnesota. Now there could be some help for those who need it the most. Our Mark Albert has been following this issue for months now. So Mark, what kind of help are we talking about here?
Well, we hope it's help for a lot of people who need it the most, because the chief federal judge of Minnesota has warned that there could be layoffs to federal defenders if more budget cuts come from D.C. in less than 2 months. That's on top of the just announced cut in pay for court-appointed attorneys. So a free legal clinic later this week could be a lifeline for many.
A lot of the resources are overwhelmed.
Civil rights attorney Ellen Longfellow is coming to the rescue.
We hope that everyone that needs help will come.
Longfellow works for the Council on American Islamic Relations, CAIR, which is holding a free legal clinic Saturday in this parking lot of a North Minneapolis mosque.
Landlord-tenant, family law, civil and human rights.
And from criminal to housing, immigration to wills and trusts. It's free guidance.
Legal advice can be expensive.
It can, which is why these kind of clinics can be so valuable.
The second annual CAIR Legal Clinic comes just days after the latest warning from Minnesota's top federal judge.
If I look angry, I am.
Michael Davis warned Friday of court layoffs that could begin October 1st if the next round of sequester cuts kicks in, slowing civil and bankruptcy cases and corporate disputes.
For the third branch of government, who is such a small part of the budget, when you do across-the-board cuts, it is devastating.
Tell them what their legal issues are.
A reason Saturday's free clinic could be badly needed.
And if people don't have access to the court systems or other administrative remedies, they're going to give up, and it's going to condone the type of actions that are going on, because people will not be afraid that anyone's going to hold them accountable.
Also on hand Saturday will be health screenings, free clothes, food, and other services as part of the nationwide Day of Dignity events. CAIR needs more volunteer attorneys to staff the clinic, so we put the exact details on our website at KSTP.com. Just click on links.
Mark, you said these attorneys are going to point people in the right direction of where they can go next. A lot of people have complicated legal issues going.
It can be very complicated, and so they will give you a takeaway form that will recommend it, whether it be a self-help situation, a place where you can get some legal guidance, retain an attorney, etc. So if you go to that clinic, they say you will come away with some next steps.
All right, good to know. Mark, thanks. Bill?
A Lakeville man is now facing a first-degree murder charge.